Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to change your age on Twitter. So let me tell you guys, now Twitter has changed its name to X. So to get started, simply tap on Twitter application, which is now changed as X. Once you do it, you will be appear with this type of screen interface. So in order to change your age, what you're gonna do is tap on that little profile icon which is appear on the top left corner, and then go ahead and click on profile option. Once you do that, you will be appeared with your profile information. Now tap on edit profile. Here you can see date of birth. Simply tap on it and then you can edit it. Click on edit and then change the date you want to update. Once you have changed the date, your age will be also successfully changed on Twitter. So that's all guys, I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.